All right, you can see that my oil life is at 10% here, and to reset the oil life on a Honda Accord, you simply take our odometer button right here, you press and hold, and we're gonna hold for 10 seconds. And then you can see that the oil life starts flashing. We're gonna release and we're gonna press and hold for another 5 seconds. Right there, oil life 100%. So we just reset the oil life on our Honda. I think most Hondas are like this. Otherwise, I know the old Hondas, you would turn the car off, press and hold the press odometer, and then turn the key on while continuously holding the press odometer, and it would reset that way. I know the older ones are like that. So all right, enjoy.